Good morning student. Welcome in Step 2 Smart Class. I'm Saroja Singh Yadav. Today I will teach you class 4th lesson number 5, 6 on a serving man. In this our poem 6 on a serving man, our poet is explained about how the child is curious to know this world and what's the reason behind it. This thing is clearly explained by the poet in this poem. Let's recite this poem and we can learn how to recite it. 6 on a serving man. I keep 6 on a serving man. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when, and how and where and who. I sent them over land and sea. I sent them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I gave them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. But different folk have different views. I knew a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. She sends them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opened her eyes, 1 million how, 2 million wheres, and 7 million whys. The poet of this poem is Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling was born in Bombay on December 30th. He is a son of John Kipling, an artist and the teacher of the architecture sculptures. Let's understand this poem. I keep 6 on a serving man. मैंने 6 विश्वासी सर्विंग मैन रखे हैं. सर्विंग मैन मीन्स नौकर जो हमारे काम करते हों. They taught me all I knew. और वे मुझे हर एक चीजें सिखाते थे जो मुझे जानना चाहिए. Their names are what and why and when, and how and where and who. Here the poet is used the personification with these WH words, WH cautionaries words, with the person who can explain all the things to that child, and that person having a name. That name is very different, is a what, why, when and how, where, who. मैं उन्हें समुद्र से और जमीन से दूसरे देशों में भेजता हूँ. I send them east and west. मैं उन्हें अपने प्रश्नों के माध्यम से ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में भेज देता हूँ. But after they have worked for me, लेकिन जब वो मेरे प्रश्नों के जवाब देते हैं और दिन भर मेरे लिए काम करते हैं, I gave them all a rest. और तब मैं उनको आराम करने का भी मौका देता हूँ. As the child is totally curious to know this world, child asks the different type of question. That question is depend upon the land, it's depend upon the sea. So by this way the child sent his servant to all the places. It may be he asked the question which is related to the east and which is related to the west. So indirectly child sent that serving man to all the direction also, and that serving man worked whole day and night by giving the answer to that curious child only. And I'm giving rest whenever I sleep. Same time that my serving man can take the rest. Here some new words is there. East, it's a direction. West also direction. Worked is a past tense of work. Rest means aram. I let them rest from 9 till 5. From I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. जब वे adult हो जाते हैं, and जो adult है, जो working है, they are busy in doing the any kind of task or job. So वहाँ भी उन्हें कुछ समय वर्किंग आवर्स रहता है, उसके बाद उनके रेस्टिंग टाइम होते हैं. उसी तरीके से यहाँ कवि बताना चाहते हैं कि वे बड़े हो गए हैं, वे 9 to 5 बजे तक काम करते हैं और वे मेरे लिए दिन भर व्यस्त रहते हैं. हालांकि वे हमारे लिए नाश्ता, दोपहर के भोजन और चाय का भी और साथ साथ और आदमियों की भूख को मिटाने का भी कार्य वे करते हैं. चाइल्डहुड मीन्स बचपन. हंग्री मीन्स द पर्सन हु हैविंग अ फीलिंग ऑफ ईटिंग फूड. इन हिंदी हंग्री मीन्स भूखा. But different folk have different views. I knew a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. परंतु अलग अलग लोगों के नजरिए हैं और अलग अलग लोगों के समूह हैं. मैं उस छोटे पर्सन को जानता हूँ जिसने अपने पास 10 मिलियन सर्विंग मैन रखी है, जिसे थोड़ा भी आराम करने का मौका नहीं रहता है. फ्लोक मीन्स पीपुल. I sends them abroad on her own affair. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million's house, 2 million's wares, and 7 million's wives. Here, Stoffi EM, its full form is them. The meaning of send them abroad on her own affair means send them away to other place to do her work. Here the poet is saying that I am sending the person to the different places to do my work, and within a second, whenever I am opening my eyes and I know whether this task is completed or not, they do all the sort of tasks and confirm me. I having many questions. So from that questions, 1 million is question which is made by the word how, and 2 million questions are I have which made by the word where, and I have 7 million questions which made by the word why. So here the child is like to explain that the child is saying that मेरे पास वाई शब्द के 7 मिलियन प्रश्न है और हाउ शब्द से मेरे पास 1 मिलियन प्रश्न है और लगभग वेयर शब्द से रिलेटेड मेरे पास 2 मिलियन प्रश्न है. यानी कि मेरे पास अनेकों प्रश्न हैं जिससे मैं पूछकर अपनी अभिलाषाओं को पूरा कर सकता हूँ और जिससे मैं पूछकर अपने आप को सभ्य बनाने में समर्थ हो सकता हूँ. So it's a childhood when the child is very curious to know all the things. It may be applicable for that child or not. They having a one sort of habit. That one is asking question, and because of asking question, he is able to know all the things and he able to see the world by sitting at the one place in its home itself. We know you all students are having a different type of curiosity So maybe you have many questions regarding this poem or regarding other topics also. You can ask your teachers or you can ask your parents or friends, so that through that questionnaires you may improve your knowledge. So student, here our this poem is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. For question answer, link given in a description. Regarding your queries, you can write in a comment box. And for further notification for videos, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you.